So down a narrow street in Calicut, where homes sit close by and lives flows unshaken, a yellow box projects out from a brick wall and it hangs out there, sharp against the muted tones around it, catching the sun, catching eyes. A yellow box actually exemplifies the innovative design in a very compact space, and it showcases how bold aesthetics and functionality can coexist.
Myself, Abu Bakar.
And I'm architect Deepthi from Aslam Sham Architects. Join us for an exclusive home tour of the Yellow Box in Calicut. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. So the site is located in Tiruvannur, Calicut, which is a quite thick urban street. Site is already 10 cent and it's very compact. It is positioned in a corner of a T-junction with two roads. We started from the client's requirement itself. As we always say, the building should harmoniously blend with the surroundings or the context and also should incorporate the client's requirement.
From the entry road, service road, when we enter to this space, this is the main yard. Access leads to the main entrance of the house.
What we planned is we kept the semi-public area open as possible and then segregated the private area from the semi-public area. From the very small sit-out space, from there you enter into this very spacious, almost double height common area. Thoughtfully designed this metal staircase that you see behind me in a manner that it kind of demarcates the formal and family area. We say the architecture itself, becomes the interior sometimes.
Yeah.
So it's a perfect example of that because we wanted the common area to be open and flawless, but not having any columns or partitions in between. Only the stairs should stand out. So staircase is made from a folded metal sheet and which is suspended from the beam. So we have used coffered slab for the common area ceiling, especially to cut off the columns and make this space
Reduce
continuous.
the columns actually.
And then here we have another buffer space and we have a sliding door which is again done in wood and intricate detail, and two bedrooms on either side with attached bathroom. Once you take the metal staircase, you reach to their common space, and this is the yellow box that projects out. Actually is a balcony that can be accessed from the study area. So someone spending their time over this area, on the study area, where we have the view of this yellow box that is projecting out. What we have done is, instead of keeping the facade parallel to the roads, kind of cut it off with a diagonal wall.
Inclined wall.
Yeah, inclined wall. So the brick wall that you see behind me is the key element that stands out in the project. Facade has been created by using the red brick which has got hole in the center, and we have used metal rods to create this pattern, and actually the metal frames are those which supports this brick facade that you see here, that creates a scale to the entire project. It came like that, and the color yellow, I don't know, we wanted it to be something striking. We have been used to making design or planning spaces in a compact spaces. We find it challenging, and sometimes the limitations becomes the strength. Yes. So this project is one such project where the limitations has helped us to shape the overall building. Here the site limitations and client requirements help to shape the whole building. Catching the sun, catching eyes.
And it's a quite break in the rhythm of ordinary. അല്ലേ കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലേ
സോറി
അതിന് ഫുള്ളല്ലേ നീ പറഞ്ഞോ